Hey everybody, it's your girl Passion Monet here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a nail hack of the textured gradient ombre nails. So right now I'm just taking a tiny sponge and I'm taking some regular nail polish of my choice, and I'm adding it to the sponge. And I'm just adding it side by side. And both of these nail polishes I got from shopmissa.com, and they were $1 each. Right now I'm just going to take the sponge and press it on the nail, and I'm just pressing it over and over until I get the desired gradient effect that I like. I really like this nail hack because it doesn't give just the regular ombre effect, it gives more of a texture to it, and I just really wanted to try that out. I don't know if you can see the texture through the video, but I'll try my best to show you. Now initially I wanted to only do the thumbnail, the middle finger, and the pinky finger, but I like the gradient so much that I just decided to do the whole hand. And right here I ran out of brush on nail glue, so I had to use regular nail glue. And it was just drying so fast, y'all. Like so fast. As you can see, it was like sticking so fast, like 3 seconds. I couldn't even move it. But I got it to work, y'all. Patience is key, I guess. And for this middle finger, I wanted to try something new. I love this little shape right here. I forgot the name of it, but it's so cute. I was about to say a teardrop, but it's not a teardrop. I forgot. But it's so cute. Now the thumbnail, I couldn't think of what I wanted to do for the thumb. So I just took the, well, as you'll see, I took the tiny AV iridescence and just went around the perimeter of the thumbnail, and it came out pretty cute. I just love the effect of this textured ombre. It's just so cute. Now this color, this color is supposed to be red, but when I put it on the sponge and put it on the nail, it was like more of a fuchsia color. Not like a hot pink, but like fuchsia, if that makes sense. So I was surprised by that, because initially I really wanted red and black nails. But I mean, the overall effect was cute to me. I really like it. But yep, the remainder of the video is just me putting on the bling. Okay, and I'm about to show you the finished products coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video and this quick little nail hack that I saw. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see future videos. And don't forget to see you in my next one. Bye bye.